In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add sales pop-up in Shopify store. A sales pop-up is a small notification that appears on your store to show recent purchases or order activity. It can help create social proof and make your store feel more active to visitors. To get started, open your Shopify admin dashboard and go to the Shopify App Store. Once you are there, use the search bar to look for a sales pop-up app. You can search for terms like sales pop-up, recent sales notification, or use an app name such as Sales Pop-Up or Ali Reviews. Take a moment to review the app options before choosing one. Look at the app description, pricing, and features so you can select one that matches what you want to display on your store. When you have chosen the app you want to use, open the app listing and click Install. Shopify will then guide you through the installation process and ask you to approve adding the app to your store. After the app has been installed, it should be available inside your Shopify dashboard. Open the app from your apps area so you can begin setting up the sales pop-up notification. Most sales pop-up apps will include a setup screen or dashboard where you can control the look, placement, and behavior of the pop-up. Start by selecting the notification layout style. For example, you may choose a small toe-style notification that appears in the bottom left corner of the screen. This layout choice is important because it affects how customers see the notification while browsing your store. Choose a style that is visible but not too distracting. Once the layout is selected, move on to the data source settings. This is where you decide what information the app will use for the pop-up notifications. If your store already has recent orders, you can choose to show real recent purchases. If your store is new and does not have much order history yet, some apps may allow simulated orders instead. Make sure the data source you select matches your store situation and the type of experience you want to create. After that, customize the text design, colors, and background of the pop-up. Adjust the font style, text color, button color, or background color if those options are available. The goal is to make the pop-up match your store branding theme. For example, if your store uses simple neutral colors, keep the notification clean and consistent. If your store has a bold brand style, you can choose colors that feel more aligned with your design. Once the design looks good, set the timing rules for the notification. These settings usually control when the first pop-up appears and how long each notification stays visible on the screen. You might set a short delay before the first pop-up so it does not appear immediately when someone lands on your site. You can also choose the display duration so each notification stays on screen long enough to be noticed, but not so long that it interrupts the shopping experience. When all of your settings are ready, click Save or Activate inside the app dashboard. The exact button name may be different depending on the app, but it will usually be clearly shown near the bottom or top of the settings page. Saving or activating confirms your setup and prepares the app to show notifications on your storefront. Next, go back to your Shopify admin dashboard and open Online Store, then select Themes. Find your active theme and click Customize. This opens the Shopify Theme Editor, where you can manage theme settings and app integrations. In the Theme Editor, look for the App Embeds icon in the left sidebar menu. Click it to open the list of apps that can be embedded into your theme. Find the Sales Pop-Up app you just installed and toggle the switch to on. This step is important because some apps must be enabled as an app embed before they can appear on your live store. After switching it on, click Save in the Theme Editor. Your Sales Pop-Up app is now added and enabled on your Shopify store. That covers everything you need to know.